On September 5, 1977, NASA launched the Voyager 1 Odyssey, igniting one of the boldest and most daring quests in the chronicles of humankind. Teamed with its sibling Voyager 2, this celestial scout was commissioned to chart the far-flung planets of our solar neighborhood. Few could have foreseen that these mechanical pioneers would stretch their wings far past the boundaries anyone dared to imagine. Outfitted with the pinnacle of 1970s technology, Voyager 1 rocketed to prominence as a cosmic pathfinder, delivering revelatory glimpses into the titanic gas planets and their enigmatic satellites. Yet, its most awe-inspiring feats still lay beyond the cosmic horizon. Originally built for a voyage expected to span a mere 5 years, Voyager 1 is now barreling through the dark tapestry of space over 40 years later, beaming back signals from a staggering 14 billion miles away, marking it as the furthest-flung artifact humanity has ever hurled into the void. In 2012, the probe carved its name into the annals of history by breaching the heliopause, the invisible frontier where the sun's warm breath yields to the cold hush of interstellar space. It became the first envoy of Earth to pierce this alien domain, drifting boldly where no spacecraft had dared venture before. Celebrated physicist Michio Kaku, one of the Voyager mission's most fervent champions, recently unveiled a revelation that crackles with scientific electricity. Voyager 1, he declared, has stumbled upon cosmic riddles that rattle the pillars of our current understanding. According to Kaku, data from the spacecraft unveiled peculiarities that thumb their noses at our established models of physics. What we think we know about the enormous, invisible forces that dance in the deep of the galaxy could very well be redrawn by these mysteries. Among the most head-scratching transmissions are signals sent by Voyager 1 that swirl with unfamiliar rhythms, patterns that refuse to march in step with known forms of cosmic microwave radiation or the wave-like whispers of plasma. Are these strange signals the birth cries of a new, undiscovered cosmic phenomenon? Or is there a different explanation flickering just beyond reach? While some scientists suggest these ghostly echoes may arise from the spacecraft's interactions with space dust and interstellar particles, others peer further into the speculative mist, toying with bold possibilities. Perhaps even the outlines of mysterious structures hidden in the cold expanses between stars. Delving into interstellar space is no walk in the park. Voyager 1 must brave a cosmic crucible of lethal radiation, temperatures that flirt with absolute zero, and unimaginable distances that stretch communication to the brink. To keep the mission alive, NASA's engineers have had to lull non-essential systems into silence, eking out every last drop of its dwindling power. And yet, despite these Herculean challenges, Voyager 1 still whispers from the dark, delivering data more precious than gold, living proof of the grit and genius of its 1970s creators. Through the decades, Voyager 1 has utterly reshaped our grasp of the solar system. It captured the volcanic tantrums of Io, the icy riddle of Europa, and 1,000 wonders in between. Its revelations have seeded new questions, inspired next-gen missions like the Europa Clipper and Dragonfly to Titan, and propelled space science into new realms of thought. But its gifts are not only scientific. Voyager 1 carries with it the golden record, a time capsule forged in hope, cradling the music, culture, and dreams of Earth, designed to outlast us by eons. It is our message in a bottle to the universe, floating endlessly in the dark sea of stars. One of the spacecraft's most spellbinding talents is its ability to listen to the cosmos. Using its plasma wave instrument, Voyager 1 has captured haunting melodies, alien tones, and eerie frequencies that unveil unseen conversations between cosmic plasma and the ship itself. These sounds of space sing of the unknown, offering an auditory glimpse into the echoing silence of the void. Yet lately those songs have changed. Scientists detected patterns hidden in the noise, less like random static, more like whispers arranged with purpose. Voyager 1's mission has shattered the myth that space is empty. It has mapped magnetic fields, tasted interstellar plasma, and felt the ripples of distant stellar explosions. And perhaps most startling, Voyager's data suggests that the heliopause, the edge of our solar system, is no fixed fence. It's a shifting, breathing veil that dances in response to solar winds and the invisible tide of forces flowing through interstellar space. Some theorists now wonder, Could these oddities be signs of one of physics' most elusive phantoms, dark matter? This spectral substance, which makes up nearly 27% of the universe, remains unobserved yet leaves gravitational fingerprints on galaxies. If Voyager 1 has brushed up against such phenomena, it may have cracked open a doorway to the secrets of the cosmos itself. Another theory, tinged with science fiction but anchored in wonder, posits: could Voyager 1 be intercepting signals from an alien intelligence? Some researchers entertain the possibility that advanced civilizations may use the interstellar medium as a galactic bulletin board. Is Voyager catching messages never meant for human ears? Kaku remains both dazzled and wary, celebrating the probe's discoveries while cautioning against the unknown dangers that may lie ahead. Come with voyaging into unmapped territory. Voyager 1 has blazed the trail for a new era of space exploration. Initiatives like Breakthrough Starshot are now gearing up to launch mini-probes to nearby stars at blistering speeds, riding the wave that Voyager started. These missions hope to answer the very questions Voyager raised. What lies in the darkness between stars? Is it just us? What will humanity become when it steps beyond the solar shore? More than a machine, Voyager 1 is a monument to the human spirit. For 45 years, it has ventured farther than any earthly object, uncovering truths once hidden beyond our grasp. From Jupiter's volcanic moons to the interstellar abyss, Voyager has redrawn the cosmic map. Its most recent transmissions, interstellar ripples and inexplicable anomalies, are a thunderclap, reminding us how little we truly know. As it sails deeper into the abyss, Voyager 1 still bears the golden record, a glowing ember of our identity burning quietly through time and space. If silence eventually overtakes it, the legacy it leaves will blaze on, lighting the way for tomorrow's explorers. So, what do you make of Voyager's astonishing findings? Could they pull back the curtain on some deeper truth about existence itself? Share your thoughts below and stay curious. The great darkness that lies beyond has much more to offer. As Voyager 1 presses onward, its journey becomes ever more profound. With each mile, it tugs at the very limits of what human-made ingenuity can achieve. Its steady stream of data is a quiet anthem of our unquenchable thirst for knowledge, a whisper from the farthest frontier. It is no longer just an explorer. It's a beacon of what humans can do when we aim high and reach far. It may never come home, but the echoes of its journey will resound for generations. Its tale has already sparked new quests, fresh technologies, and questions that will shape the future of science. From surviving the brutal gauntlet of space radiation to enduring long past its expected life, Voyager 1 is a phoenix of engineering brilliance. The visionaries of the 1970s who dared to imagine and carry out such a mission left behind a legacy that will endure forever. And so, its odyssey mirrors our own, not just the search for new worlds, but the hunger to transcend boundaries. Mental, physical, cosmic. As new probes and missions take flight, they stand on the shoulders of Voyager. Our thirst for discovery never sleeps, builds, grows. It drives us forward into the unknown. The Voyager mission has awakened a generation to the awe of space. The Webb telescope, Artemis moon missions, and Mars expeditions all bloom from Voyager's roots. Inspired by the data, resilience, and daring of that tiny ship sailing the stars, every new leap looks outward. Even now, Voyager signals challenge the scaffolding of our understanding. What bends the rules of physics in such strange ways? What lies beneath the veil of these cosmic quirks? Could it be that Voyager has touched something fundamental? Perhaps a wrinkle in the very fabric of reality. These aren't just equations. They are the seeds of revolutions in thought. And through it all, Voyager 1 continues to stir imaginations around the globe. It is more than science, it's the story of us. Voyager 1 isn't merely gathering data. It's like writing a love letter to the universe from humanity. Its golden record contains the soul of a species, our songs, our art, our languages, our longing. It glides through space as an emissary of Earth, a fragile but powerful cry into the dark. As we ponder Voyager's role in the epic timeline of exploration, we realize this. Its journey is the first chapter in a much greater saga. The Webb telescope's eye into the ancient universe and Artemis' return to the moon all spring from the spark Voyager lit long ago. Each mission today borrows from Voyager's triumphs. The data Voyager sends is not just valuable, it's vital. Pushes technology to new limits. And the fact that it still speaks to us from the void is a tribute to the brilliance and stubborn hope of those who launched it. NASA's tireless caretakers adjust, recalibrate, and listen for that fading whisper as it slips farther from Earth. It is a masterclass in ingenuity and faith. Faith that this little emissary might still have more to say. The anomalies it uncovers tease at the edge of our understanding. Perhaps we are only beginning to realize the scale of what lies beyond. Each question it raises burns with possibility. What laws govern these strange signals? What if Voyager has cracked open a hidden layer of the cosmos? What if it's reshaping physics itself? These aren't just riddles for scientists. They are doors to entirely new worlds of knowledge. And beyond the science, Voyager 1 has captured the hearts of dreamers across the globe. It is an icon of our cosmic hunger, a symbol of who we are and who we might become. The Voyager story is no mere report, it's a myth in motion. While Voyager may eventually fall silent, its mission will never be over. Its legacy is already deeply woven into the fabric of space exploration. It is the pioneer that blazed the trail for future generations, the spark that ignited our curiosity and the reminder that no distance is too far to reach for the stars. Like the universe itself, this journey is endless. Every twist and turn of Voyager 1's voyage opens new avenues of thought, encouraging us to rethink everything we thought we knew about the cosmos. Could these enigmatic signals be the harbinger of a new era in science? Will we one day look back at Voyager's findings as the turning point in our understanding of the universe? Perhaps the greatest discovery lies not in what we have already uncovered, but in what Voyager 1 will continue to teach us in the years and decades to come. As the spacecraft drifts farther from Earth, each signal it sends back serves as a bridge between the familiar and the unknown. It's not just a technological achievement, it's a profound statement about who we are as a species and what we are capable of when we look to the stars with both wonder and determination. And so, as Voyager 1 fades into the vast darkness, we are reminded that the journey itself is as important as the destination. For it is in the pursuit of knowledge that we find our true purpose, pushing forward into the unknown, ever curious, ever hungry for understanding. The universe is vast, and our place in it is but a fleeting moment. Yet in this brief window of time, Voyager 1 has done what no human could ever do. It has crossed the threshold between the solar system and the cosmos, making the impossible seem within reach. Its discoveries will echo across the centuries, inspiring future generations to continue the work it began. And in the end, the question isn't just about what Voyager 1 has found. The question is, what will we discover next? As we look toward the stars, we are not just looking for answers, we are looking for a reason. Meaning about our place in the universe, our origins, and our future. Voyager 1 has shown us that the journey of discovery never truly ends, only evolves. In the grand timeline of human achievement, Voyager 1 stands as a symbol of our boundless curiosity, our relentless drive to explore.